Good evening, everyone. It is the biggest day in the history of our association. Today, as we have successfully come to the end of our first virtual annual national conference of All India Occupational Therapy Association, now we have come to the valedictory function of OTCon 2021. I, Joseph Sani, Honorable Secretary of IOTA, would like to take this opportunity to give a warm welcome to all our esteemed guests and participants gathered virtually here with us today. We are highly privileged to receive a total registration of 910 delegates. We have got 215 life members, 8 non-members, and 433 student members. This is a huge success in itself, since we thought this is the first time getting a sufficient participant for the conference would be a great task. We deeply regret that the president of IOTA, Dr. Anil K. Srivastava, is unable to make his presence here with us today to grace this occasion due to some unavoidable reasons. An esteemed group of dignitaries have joined us today, and it gives me immense pleasure to have them here with us today. Dr. Surendra Kumar Meena, Vice President of IOTA, Dr. Jyotika Bijlani, Organizing Secretary, OTCon 2021 and Dean of Academic Council of Occupational Therapy, Dr. Lakshmanan S., Chairman, Scientific Committee Chairperson, Scientific Committee, OTCon 2021, Executive Committee members of IOTA, Academic Council, and IJOT Editorial Board, Committee members of OTCon 2021. I am delighted to offer a gracious welcome to all of you. Now, let me request Dr. Surendra Kumar Meena, Vice President of IOTA, to deliver his valedictory address. Thank you. Over to Dr. Meena.
Yes, good evening to all. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to respected dignitaries in valedictory function of 58th Annual National Conference of All India Occupational Therapists Association OT ICON 2021. Secretary, All India Occupational Therapy Association, Dr. Sunny Joseph, Treasurer, Dr. Pratibha Vedya, Dean Account and Organizing Secretary, Dr. Jyotika Bijlani, ex-officio member, Dr. Sasi Oberoi, all EC member of AIOTA and EC member of ACCORD, IJOTC member, all respected delegates and my dear students and the guests. I hope everyone enjoyed this virtual OTCon 2021. I would like to congratulate to organizing committee members of this great successful event of OT ICON 2021. I congratulate to all winners of different categories of scientific awards, and I also want to thank the panelists, moderators, and judges for their efforts to giving transparent result of all competitive scientific sessions. I once again congratulate to all organizing secretary. They are doing great, excellent job for this conference successfully. Thank you very much.
Now I call upon Dr. Lakshmanan, Scientific Committee Chairperson, to address the gathering.
Good evening, everybody. Hope all the delegates have joined. If yes, and then it is the first time I'm addressing such a big gathering of more than almost nearly 1,000 people in my life. Hope I and my team have not disappointed you in the last 2 days. We tried our best to deliver or bring you the best possible scientific program. And of course, I'll take pride saying that we did that apart from some technical glitches towards the end of the program. As a human, I also have some anarchistic traits, so I believe in improvising certain things. But I'm here to just say two best words in my life. One is thank you, and the other one is sorry, which is going to be applicable for too many people whom I'm going to list in the next 3 or 4 minutes as such. First and foremost, the IOTA office bearers and the executive committee members under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Srivatsaji for entrusting the responsibility and believing in my abilities to deliver it for such an naive thing. And secondly, I want to thank my organizing secretary of the event, Dr. Jyotika Bijlani, what will I say? I never had a no from her. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the fruitful discussions I had with her to make this conference. What was it for the last 2 days?
Napkin.
The next person, Secretary of IOTA. Before saying thank you, I have to say I have to apologize to him for all the bad arguments I had with him from the day we decided about designing a registration page for the conference. We started working on it from almost at least end of July, August kind of a thing. Almost more than the discussions, it's more of an argument all the time. We had enough of differences. All these differences have made what we have done it for the last 2 days. And it is not about the registration page. It's not about the discussions on the event platform. Almost 10 event platforms that we have negotiated with the service providers. And I don't say that we have got it the best platform, but definitely we got the cost-effective platform to run the conference as such. And more than all of that, when I called him, we are having a tough time where we'll have this power backup, internet backup. And I felt that all the scientific committee members sitting at different places, we thought that it is difficult to coordinate because we expected that people will be having problems in logging in, so joining for the presentation, ensuring to remain the judges, chairpersons, everything. We thought that it will be better to have at least 2 or 3 people at a single place with proper power and internet backup. We have tried different places. In Mumbai, we have checked with a couple of places. In Bangalore, we have checked with a couple of places. Then on a single note, when somebody has suggested, why can't we go ahead with anybody's private clinic? The first thing is then I thought that I have a better place. And then I called him and asked him, I said, okay to host the show from your office. Without thinking, he said yes. And I think that itself has saved almost nearly 35,000 rupees for IOTA, because the quotation what I got for 2 days in Bangalore for a workplace with all these things, they had given me a quote of 26,000 plus taxes. So again, for all the logistical support, my scientific committee members will be able to tell you the kind of logistical support what we got in the last 2 days. I don't think anywhere else we would have got this. I don't want to thank you for this, Sunny, but because that will not, whatever we got, it won't. I can't express in words, and I can't tell it in a single word or 2 phrases kind of a thing. Then I move on to the pre-conference judges. Again, it is a tough decision. I was little stubborn that each award category papers will be done by the same set of judges. So it is a record time. I don't want to say the achievements. We had 41 papers presented on the conference. Member IT program, student this many student. I never said that because I'm going to take a long list, and I want to. Already we are running late. I want to finish the program faster. So that is why I want to say thank from bottom of my heart to this set of people. That is why I'm just listing it. So Kamala Vinimkar had almost 11 papers, and sending it within a 20 days, 11 papers, asking somebody to read the 3,000 words of a full article, read for 11 papers, score it, and send it within 20 days. It is harsh on me to ask somebody, but I had people to ask for, and they never thought about it and said that, okay, we will do it for you. And the same way, Gasalamakra has 8. So I want to thank all those pre-conference judges and the conference judges. Conference judges, it is going to be, I was struggling with the different options over almost last 1.5 months, how I'm going to have it a thing. And at last we went with the Google Forms, considering the age of my conference judges to make it user friendly for them. So we went with the simple option of Google Forms as such. So even though it is going to take time, I want to name all my pre-conference judges and the conference judges. Sorry for making you to wait for further delay, but I don't think they won't be getting any other recognition than this. So I want to tell all their names. Please forgive me for that. Dr. Kamal Arya, Dr. Ashwini Vaishampan, Dr. Vaidyamanidhi Perumal, Dr. Pankaj Bajpai, Dr. Punita Solanki, Dr. Dheeraj Krishnani, Dr. Kavita Padmanabhan, Dr. Namrata Gram Purohit, Dr. Odette Gomes, Dr. Manjusha Vagal, Dr. Chavan Shashidhar Rao, Dr. Karthik Mani, Dr. Sunita K, Dr. Satish Maslekar, Dr. Amitabh Trivedi, Dr. Sushant Sarang, Dr. Hina Patel, Dr. Usha Bojne, Dr. Shailaja Jayavant, Dr. Rashmi Eradkar, Dr. Anuradha Pai, Dr. Leena Deshpande, Dr. S.K. Meena, Dr. Neeraj Mishra, Dr. Arun Kumar, Dr. Raviraj Shetty, Dr. R.K. Sharma, Dr. Ram Kumar Ji, Dr. Sunny Joseph, Dr. Sophia Asad, Dr. Vijay Batra, and even though I am telling his name at the last, but the relationship or the person I value the most, my last judge, Dr. Sunil P. Mukashi. And I also wish to thank all the chairpersons. I'm not listing their names, that's because every one of you know the chairpersons as such. I thank all my chairpersons, all my 12 chairpersons over the last 2 days. And the other set of people I want to thank is like Mr. Chetan, Mr. Milan, Mr. Jitender, Mr. Anjani, Mr. Naresh, and other set of people who have helped me throughout the last 1 week, right from the trial run, setting up the portal. All these people are from Alpacard, and I wish to thank each and every one of you who worked behind this event platform for this last 1 week to get this successful event to you. And I also wanted to thank all these staff of Prayatana Child Development Center at Kochi for all the logistical support they have delivered. Sorry, I don't have a speech with me. That's why I'm talking from my memories, who am I listening. And last but not the least, I want to thank, again, it's more than the thank you, my apologies to my scientific team members, Dr. Srihash Jahairdar, Dr. Murali Krishnan S, and Dr. Soumyakanta Sapu. It's more apologies for making you to work in the late nights in the last 1.5 months and being harsh to you for almost last 15 days or 20 days. Hopefully you will forgive me for all those my harsh words as such. And again, there is not going to be a thank you word or a couple of sentences which is going to tell what kind of work you have done. And all the credit of this successful event is because of you three people. And I don't want to say more than that. Thank you very much. Thanks to you, Sunny.
Thank you, Lakshman. Thank you for the kind words. I'm really touched. I mean, without our president's Dr. Anil K. Srivasta's support, because initially when we planned for a virtual conference, everybody they are all bored up with the Zoom platform. They're all bored up with the Zoom meeting and all this regular meetings. So we have decided to hire a vendor like this. So we had marathon meeting with many vendors. Finally, we were actually worried whether we'll get the members. So Dr. Jyotika Villani also gave a lot of moral support to us, and our Dr. Pratibha Vaidya, she also gave a good support to us. And so next, I think we'll move on to the in the most waiting event. Actually, if it was direct function, we would have got more excitement on this. I don't know how much people are going to enjoy this. I will read out the awards now. So first, we'll start with the delegate award. Mini movie award goes to Goa Medical College. Next, congratulations, Goa Medical College. Next, moving on to Delegate Innovative Technology, Dr. Janki Parekh. Congratulations, Dr. Janki. Next, IOTA Best Paper in Neuroscience goes to Dr. Aradhana Nayak. IOTA Best Paper Award, Best Paper in Neuroscience, Dr. Aradhana Nayak. Congratulations. Next, Dr. Vijay Supple Award for the Best Paper in Mental Health. Goes to Dr. Sadicha Kamath.
Next, you proceed next.
Next, MM Sangoi Award for the Best Paper in Ergonomics, Access and Environment, Dr. Bhairathi Jaju. Congratulations, Dr. Bhairathi Jaju. Next, Ghazala Matkala Award for the Best in Pediatrics, Paper in Pediatrics. The award goes to Dr. Avasti Deepa. Congratulations, Dr. Avasti. Next, moving on to the Bharati Kirti Patel Youth Talent Award. Award goes to Dr. Monali Nipakar. Congratulations, Dr. Monali. Next award is Dr. Kamala V. Nimkar Award for the best paper. Kamala V. Nimkar Award for the best paper goes to Dr. Noor Muhammad. Congratulations, Dr. Noor Muhammad. Next, best delegate of the OTCon 2021. Best delegate of the OTCon 2021 is Dr. Chami Dev. Congratulations, Dr. Chami Dev. Next, we are moving to the student category award. Best student delegate of the OTCon 2021. Best student delegate of the OTCon 2021 is Devanshi Cheda. Congratulations, Devanshi. Next, best graduate of the year award. Best graduate of the year is Dr. Shreya B. Gosar, Seth GSMC and KEMH Mumbai. Congratulations, Dr. Shreya. Next, moving on to Best Student Innovative Technology. Best Student Innovative Technology goes to, third prize goes to GMC Nagpur. Congratulations, GMC Nagpur. Second place, LTMC Sion Hospital. Best Student Innovative Technology, first prize goes to the winner is GSMC Nagpur. GSMC Mumbai. Sorry. Next, we go to the Best Poster Award. The third place goes to TNMC and BYL Nair Hospital. Best Poster Award, second place goes to GSMC Mumbai. best poster winner is first place goes to LTMMC Sion Hospital. Next, we are moving to Best OMG Provo Humorous Poster Award. Award goes to DY Patil College, Navi Mumbai. Congratulations, DY Patil College students. So with this award ceremony, I'm handing over to the Cultural Committee, Dr. Shailaja Jayavant. Congratulations to all the winners. Over to Dr. Shailaja.
Thank you, Dr. Joseph. Before announcing the award, I would like to share a few of our experiences during the course of cultural event planning and execution. To acquire the golden moment of opportunity and catch it good, which is within our reach, is a great art of life. With this quote, we, the cultural committee members, myself, Manjusha, Shivani, and Josna, would like to thank all of you who gave us the honor to discover the colors of cultural feast by students on 6th of March evening. The program has been a great success with support from all conference committee members, AIOTA EC committee members, faculty coordinators, and all participants, of course, with the support of audience yesterday. This is one of the distinct student festival held in newly formed way, that is virtually holding students' cultural event. The beautiful things in the world are seen and touched our hearts yesterday evening. It's a great privilege to declare the prizes of this colorful event. Here I would like to state that the various dimensions were finalized after brainstorming by team members and the seniors months in advance. Our team members with dedicated efforts worked beyond their comfort zone till last moment. The student coordinators and students supported us throughout the journey. As cultural committee convener, I made it sure that the judges are experts in the respective fields. The different judges were appointed for different events and were informed about the rules and guidelines before commencing the judging. Initially, keeping COVID-19 guidelines in mind, months before we had formed the guidelines and rules accordingly. But with unlock, the students of some of the colleges had resumed and started the lectures and clinical work. They approached us to ease some of the rules. After discussion among us and higher authorities, we considered some of the points and keeping the rules of relay dance as a theme and permitting the two students performing with social distancing on the same stage and all the students being seen on the same stage. This has been informed to student coordinators through email. The performances are judged considering these rules and regulations by expert judges. In OT Got Talent, we had fixed four categories which were enlisted in the rules in the brochure initially, and the performances fitting in those categories were judged and graded. Winning is great. I know it is for sure. But if you are, my dear students, if you are really going to do something in the life, the secret is learning how to lose, and nobody goes undefeated all the time. So if you can pick up after crushing defeat and then win, you will be the champions in your life. So all my champions, here I announce the results of our cultural competitions. I wish you all great success in life. The results are as follows. First category, OT Got Talent, which is given to the student individually. The first prize goes to Rucha Sawant. The second prize. Second prize in OT Got Talent goes to Urmi Shah. This second prize is shared by Reshma Gangan. And the third prize goes to Simran Kalangutkar. Now the second event from cultural program is fashion show. The first prize is shared by these prizes now as per the institutional representation. So first prize goes to Occupational Therapy School and Center, said GS Medical College and KEM Hospital. First position is shared by another college, which is Department of Occupational Therapy, Allied Health Science Courses, Goa Medical College. Second prize in fashion show goes to OT School and Center, TN Medical College, Mumbai. Third prize goes to DY Patil College of Occupational Therapy. Now, the next event in cultural program is relay dance. The first prize in relay dance goes to Occupational Therapy School and Center, LTMMC Sion, Mumbai. Second prize goes to Occupational Therapy School and Center, said GSMC College, Mumbai. This second position is again shared by Goa Medical College, a College of Allied Health Sciences. third position in relay dance goes to Occupational Therapy School and Center, Government Medical College, Nagpur. Congratulations to all the winners and all the champions. Over to you, Bijlani Madam, for further.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Shailaja. Congratulations to all the participants. Next, we will call Dr. Jyotika Bijlani, Organizing Secretary of OTCon 2021, for proposing the vote of thanks. Over to ma'am.
Thank you, Sunny. Thank you, everyone. So first of all, good evening, everyone, and congratulations to all the winners. And I should say champions, what Dr. Shailaja said. For me, all of you are the winners. Congratulations. Anyway, let me again welcome all of you, those who are present in this, in our link. Dr. S.K. Meena sir, Dr. Shashi Oberoi, Pratibha Vaidya, Sunny Joseph. Anyway, you have to forgive me for any mistake what I do. I apologize for that. So I should say all the EC members of IOTA, all the EC members, my ACOT, all the EC members of IJOT cultural program, whomsoever is present, very, very warm welcome on this occasion of valedictory function. Anyway, I think all the beautiful things make the beginning. All good and nice things come to an end, but great things never end and remain in our memories. And this memory has remained within my memory, I think, throughout my life. I'm absolutely honored to be with you as an organizing secretary of the conference at this function. I'm grateful to all IOTA executives for believing in me and entrusted my capabilities and skills of executing the responsibilities as an organizing secretary. I have tried to put my best efforts as organizing secretary for this event, and I hope that I have matched with the level of your expectations. However, I could do it only because of full support from the strong conference teams who worked 24/7 with single objective of making it a mega success. After hectic activity of more than 6 months, this is a moment of now relaxation for all of you, my dear committee members. And also patting to myself, I have to relax. But the time has come now for me to felicitate not only the people you saw them in action, but also the people who worked hard behind the curtains to give an attractive and enriched shape to this conference, to the level what you saw over the last 2 days. As it is well said by Kennedy, sometimes the best coaching advice you can get is simple acknowledgement that nothing else you could have done better. We had 12 conference committees with more than 50 OT professionals from IOTA, ACOT, IJOT, occupational therapy institutions, branches of IOTA working in these committees. It is the time for now to give them the due credit by expressing my gratitude to each one of them who worked efficiently in their respective teams. It was rightly said by Henry Ford that Coming together is the beginning. Staying together is a progress. And working together is the success. This is what we did it. We worked together and we made it a successful event. Firstly, let me now thank you, my express my, let me just remove this in between these things come. I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude to Dr. Anil Srivastava, our president, our dear president, I should say, of IOTA, who acted as a strong central pillar to provide the foundations for carrying this conference forward. And because of his leadership qualities, the team worked unitedly. I would like to thank my senior advisors, Dr. R.K. Sharma, Dr. Zareen Fazandi, Dr. Shashi Oberoi, and Satish Maslikar, who acted as mentors and gave us the timely advice, which was very important for me to take the decisions. My big thanks to the 4 pillars, Dr. Lakshmanan, Dr. Sunny Joseph, Dr. Shreyas Jagidar, and Dr. Neeraj Mishra. So my central pillar and my 4 big other pillars who provided the expertise in technology and creativity from time to time. And also actually they were the one who gave the design to this conference. I was completely ignorant about it, but these are the people who really planned well, and their confidence of holding the virtual conference actually encouraged President Sir and me to move forward with the virtual conference. So I would specifically now like to thank a very humble and soft-spoken person, Dr. Lakshmanan, Chairman of Scientific Program Committee, with full of knowledge on technology, and definitely supported by Dr. Shreyas Jagidar, Dr. Murli, Dr. Soumya Kanta, who gave you the best quality of a program as evidence from what we have experienced in last 2 days. This scientific activity has been the backbone of the conference, appreciated by all the participants. What I have been getting the WhatsApp messages and the mails. Yes, now how can I forget Dr. Sunny Joseph? I have to thank him and I apologize him. Why I have to apologize him? Because I have been troubling him any time of the day, any time or any day that he got so frustrated that he had to appoint some other PA for me, Sumati, who will answer me. My apologies, Sunny. Thank you so much. You have been bearing with me. And Sumati, thank you very much for answering my each and every query, anytime, whenever I'm asking. And also Aslam, along with Aslam, who is as one of the development, our developers from Fairbrains. They have been patiently replying my queries. Thank you, Sunny and Joseph, for teaching me the online registration technology and patiently managing the online registration. You prepare the registration process simpler and user-friendly, which made possible to attract the participants in such a large number, which is close to 1,000. Thanks to other registration committee also, Dr. Punita, Dr. Hemant Nangaonkar, Dr. Sujata Missal, Dr. Anita Gupta, and who else? And that they actually worked behind the curtain. You must not have been able to contact them directly, but they really worked hard behind the curtain and helped us to get such large number. My special thanks to Dr. Raghuram. Why I'm saying I have a thanks to everybody. Special thanks to Dr. Raghuram, who encouraged all his UG students, all from first year to fourth year to internship, and who registered for it. And they also participate, even though that college is not accredited, but he encouraged them to participate as a non-competitive in category. So thanks to Dr. Raghuram. I will not forget the enormous work done by the cultural committee. Oh my God, who has brought in the entertainment factor to this conference. It was really a good entertainment. You gave a live entertainment. It was actually, everybody knows it was not live, but you gave a live entertainment, which was awesome. Dr. Shailaja, Dr. Manjusha, Dr. Shivani, Dr. Josna did the wonderful job for bringing out the talent of students and showcasing it, despite the fact it was not live. Now, the e-souvenir committee, Dr. Ganpati, Dr. Kamal Arya, need a special mention, who took over such a toughest job and put all the efforts in compiling, editing, and finally releasing the beautiful e-souvenir on this event with full of information. Finance committee, oh my God, led by Pratibha Vaidya, supported by Dr. Sunita and Varsha Pradhan, provided the fuel to the driving and finally helped us to reach the final destination. And you know, fuel cannot be bought without money. So they were the one who made us reach to this destination. Without the marketing and advertisement of the event, it was not possible to attract a large number of participants. This is made possible by flyers, videos prepared by Sriharsh, Dr. Harshal Dixit, Dr. Pooja Balsara periodically and timely. Yes, Sriharsh, you will agree with me that I really put you people on your toes. Yes, they did their job efficiently. And they did it perfectly. They never uttered a single word. They never complained and never hesitated to do their work, despite these two girls, Harshal and Pooja. They are the PG student, and they had a submission of the thesis in this month. But I from my bottom of my heart, I really thank you, Shriyash, and your team. Communication committee, that is Dr. Vijay Batra and Dr. Kaushik Sahu, did efficient job of communicating with all the participants. They were actually on their fingertips at the time to convey the messages to all the delegates in time. I highly appreciate the support given by the promotion and the media committee led by our Vice President, Dr. S.K. Meena, and supported by Dr. Pratibha Vaidya, Dr. Pankaj Pachpai, Dr. Rupali Sen, Dr. Arun Kumar, Dr. S. Geeta, Dr. Jagdishan, Dr. Lalit Narayan, Dr. Ona Desai, Dr. Neeraj Mishra, and Dr. Nitish Srivastava, Dr. Bhavendra Singh. Is a big list, Dr. Hetal Tripathi, and Dr. Vijay Suple. Dr. Ajay Jaiswal, Dr. Kishore Kumar, Dr. Vivek Vajarkar. They really helped me to promote the conference, and today is the result. My very special thanks to Dr. Sophia Azad for managing the conference news, getting it timely published, for managing the conference and getting the news actually published in one of the newspapers. Thank you, Sophia. And it was my morning dessert on that day. Thank you so much. I thank all the sponsors for the event, because without their support, this event wouldn't have got its charm and glory. So our supporters, our sponsors were AF Udan, that is Akhil Autism Foundation. And we had RCM, we had Isaac, that is, and the other one is Toy Factory, Toy Shop or something, Toy Factory. Thankful to you for sponsoring our programs. And this otherwise event wouldn't have got such a charm and glory. All the members of the subcommittees and their support persons has been a key to the success of this event. I must say that untiring and enthusiastic involvement of all the committee members has led this event in the format which is unique and innovative. The national and international delegates became the heart of the conference, and we thank them for their active participation and cooperation throughout. We also thank all the heads of the occupational therapy institution and their students for their enthusiastic participation in large numbers. Now, my co-organizing secretaries, Dr. Amitabh Trivedi and Dr. Arun Kumar, my right hand and my left hand. I don't think without their help, I would have been able to communicate with people, with my other committees and all. They were really, really very helpful. Thank you very much, Dr. Amitabh and Dr. Arun Kumar. Now, my dear students, you are actually the heroes of the conference, without whom the conference will be like a B-class movie. Because of you, it becomes an A-class movie. We love your enthusiasm, and you're passionate to participate in all the student events despite this crucial pandemic situation. Keep doing, love you all. Now, we appreciate the overwhelming support from the conveners of IOTA also for promoting the event. Information technology has been a sheer teamwork that has led to the success. And I would like to quote the famous saying by Michael Jordan: talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championship. Special mention to our event organizers, Alcott Network, that is Dr. Mr. Chetan, Mr. Milan, Anjani, Jitendra, Naresh, and so many staff. And I know how much we trouble them. Thank you very much for bearing with us for so many days. Now, my speech will not be complete if I don't thank my special friends, Dr. Anjali Joshi, Dr. Kavita Mulgaonkar, Dr. Rashmi Yeradkar, Dr. Anuradha Pai, Dr. and Mr. Sanjay Chindarkar, who went out of their way to invite the guest of honors, chief guest for the inaugural function, and also getting their videos in time. My special thanks to other LTMMC, TNMC faculty for translation of speeches in Marathi. Now the time has come to thank all Accord members. And also I will include Dr. Shrihar Jagidar and Dr. Manish Samnani, who worked hard right from the selecting the topic, coordinating with the speakers, panelists, and hosting and moderating the show for the pre-conference voting. A big applaud for them. Last but not certainly the least, my heartfelt thanks to my family, especially my dear husband. For his enormous support and cooperation. And patiently, he has been bearing with me. I have been talking continuously on phones. I have been late for the lunch. I have been late for the dinners, but he has been very cooperative. Otherwise, I don't think I would have been able to organize such type of a conference without his cooperation. I think it is important to have your family support and cooperation. This is to manage such a heavy responsibility, and therefore my special thanks go to all the family members of all the organizing committee members who have been instrumental in supporting us for making a successful event during this crucial time. Thank you all. Thank you all, and everyone, and I feel I apologize if I missed out someone on this occasion, because something I might have missed. After all, I'm a human being, but please apologize me, and I thank everyone who has directly or indirectly supported me for making this event a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the encouraging words. It is really motivating to others. There is an announcement. Actually, we were supposed to have a general body meeting during the conference. If it was a physical conference, we were supposed to have directly, but due to some technical and the technical issues, we were not able to host a general body meeting. So it is going to be on 14th Sunday at 11 o'clock. I hope all the members would have received the invitation. Kindly register before 12, because we need to do the arrangement in Zoom, because we have only license for 100 participants. So we need to upgrade our plan if it is exceeding 100. Next, I think we are going to end this program. I hope we can meet directly in the next conference in, I don't know, we will decide on the GB meeting. So
We have a national anthem now.
yeah, next national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you. Say the same.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Okay.
कितना अच्छा बोल रही थी. What happened to me?
Okay, ma'am. Bye. Bye.
Bye
Thank you.
bye bye bye. What happened to me? I don't know. I'm sorry.
No.
I'm
It is
sorry.
okay. Sriyash is
sorry.
here.
I
Shreya,
told you I'm waiting for the emotional moment.
thank you, everyone.
Big
Thank you, madam. Thank you all. Thank you all.